Yeah, what's up with the YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my loaded protein oatmeal better than McDonald's. Probably better than your mama's. No, I'm just playing. Okay, now here we go. So the first thing I usually do is I just start out by dicing up my apples into 4 squares. And then once I got them in the 4 halves, I just dice them up as small as I want so I can mix better. Then once I got the apples diced up, I add my cinnamon, spice, and everything. That comes nice, you dig? Then we're gonna add our oatmeal. I usually use 3 packs, but for this recipe, I'm only gonna put 2 because I'm adding more protein than oatmeal this time. So I'm using 2 packs. 2 packs of this oatmeal is almost 400 calories, roughly. Add your brown sugar for a little more sugar and spice, everything nice. Add some milk. So with the measurements, I usually do odd measurements, but I use the 1/4 cup of raisins and a 1/2 cup of milk and 1 scoop of protein. And all that, it's like 50 grams of protein altogether. Once we got the raisins in, just add your apples. Apples and cinnamon look good. And yeah, for another snack you guys can do if you like on some healthy eats, like you can get you an apple and slice it up and just put a little bit of cinnamon in the bag, shake it up. You got you some cinnamon apples. It's healthy, not too sweet. That's what I do. Add the banana. I should have cut the banana up and put it in there, but I feel like it was gonna be doing too much, so I'm just gonna set it on the side for decorations. But yeah, look at that. Better than McDonald's. Come on now. Better than McDonald's. Better than grandma's. Let me taste this. Yes, sir.